All right, start over.
2 eggs, regular size eggs. Take a whisk and whisk them. The next thing you put in is an 8-ounce sour cream. That equals a cup. 8 ounces is a cup. 8-ounce sour cream, and you whisk that real good because it's thick. And then you put the corn. But before I put the cup of corn in there, I chop it up real fine because it's called cream style, not whole kernel, cream style corn. Take the little thing and chop it up real fine. Put a cup of that, not a whole can, a cup. And then you put a third of a cup of oil. I use canola oil, but you can use other kind of oil. And then the last thing you put in is 1 cup of Martha White cornmeal. And I put just about a fourth of a teaspoon of salt in it. And then I grease that skillet, a black skillet, with Crisco. And then mix all that real good together and pour it in the skillet and bake it at 400 degrees, 30 minutes.
Okay, and that's what makes it.
That's what makes it good. Instead of being packy cornbread like you get it other places, it'll be lighter and fluffier.
Okay, awesome.
And I think that little dab of sweetness to that cream style corn makes the difference. That little dab, it's just it's a little bit more than a half a can.
Okay.
But I can't find a small can, so I usually wind up throwing some away, or if I'm making soup, just dump what's little left over in the soup.
Cool.